So it's now time for the Costa Cup final prediction. Rossies High and Clarendon College are modern powerhouses in D-Cup football. 17 the Costa Cup titles between them. 7 to Clarendon College and 10 to Rossies. So we are talking about champion side, I play champion side in the D-Cup final. And for me, there are some fundamentals at play. Clarendon College is a class team with lots of ball handlers, playing slick and attractive football, with arguably the best pure striker in schoolboy football this season, Nicky Daly, leading the line. I mean, if good off-the-ball movement, interchanging, and passing were all that were needed to win the D-Cup title, they could have given CC the cup from now. But there's another team named Rossies, a.k.a. the Russians, who are not fancy favorites. They basically fly under the radar and not play under any pressure. But the way them deal with stats in the semi-final, running like a track team and playing and shooting with confidence, coming into this final with a whole heap of momentum. A final to be played in Montego Bay, where Russian fans going full up the stadium. That notoriously suspect Clarendon College defense should be busy all night. I think Rossies will score and Clarendon College will score. The question is, who will score more and lift the 2017 the Costa Cup title? All things considered. I don't want the crystal coconut. I'm going to beat myself. When all is said and done, the 2017 the Costa Cup football title will go to Rossies. 3-2 in regular time, and the mighty Russians will upset. Anything left to predict for the season? The Oliver Sheep. All right, next week. Give me the coconut.